Okay, now we're going to cover Astronomy 3A and 3B. So 3A states, explain why binoculars and telescopes are important astronomical tools, demonstrate or explain how these tools are used. So these tools work by making objects in the sky appear larger through magnification and brighter because they collect more light. If they're using light, they could be using lots of different kinds of spectrum, could be radio waves, could be infrared light, could be many different kinds of electromagnetic radiation that's emitted by the stars. Um, and then the next one says, describe the similarities and differences of several types of astronomical telescopes, including at least one that observes light beyond the visible part of the spectrum. So light is just a little piece of the spectrum. So we can see with our eyes visible light, red, yellow, green, blue, all of those colors that we see. There's a lot of other kinds of things that are basically the same kind of substance. It's a kind of a wave, but they're not visible to our eyes, and we have to use different instruments. That includes X-rays, radio waves, something called gamma rays, things that are close to light and that other animals can see but we can't see. That includes ultraviolet light, which is visible to bees, infrared light, which is visible to butterflies and other animals, but our eyes don't have sensors for that part of the spectrum. So stars emit all kinds of spectrum. They emit FM radio, just like what you use to hear radio broadcasts or to watch broadcast TV. Um, and although we can't see it, we can use scientific instruments to observe those things. Okay, the next part I'm going to put in this playlist is a video from Mr. Wizard. This is an older video. Mr. Wizard was really popular in the 80s, and he shows kind of scientific principles using household objects. Here he's going to show you how different kinds of telescopes work, and he actually was able to create some telescopes at home and show you how it's all put together. So watch this video and then we'll continue talking about different kinds of telescopes.